So we just landed in Mazatlán. We just took a shuttle here. It's Terminal Island to get out to the taxis and the Ubers.
They have so many little shops out here, and a lot of people just advertising their services. But I think we might just walk, or if they have Uber, probably take that. But yeah, take a look at the shops. It's a really cute place.
Are you ready, amigo? Welcome to Mazatlán.
Thanks.
You're finally here.
What the?
You want to sit inside?
Pet friendly. Okay. What other options? Oh, sorry. Is there outside? Super cute. Got couches to be comfortable.
You want to stay here or upstairs?
Oh, upstairs.
Give me a second.
So she said all the way up this not creepy at all staircase. More seating here. Food is not too hot. Oh, not too bad. Okay. Cuatro. Oh, it's probably really cute during the nighttime. Yeah.
So we're at this cafe right here. What's that? What'd you get?
Latte, something simple. Super strong.
Oh, is that like a swan?
Yeah. And she got, looks like a plantain or banana smoothie or
Ooh,
something.
that looks good. What's the little thing on top with nuts?
Oh.
White plantain on the outside?
Cashews?
It looks like it.
It's really good.
Yeah.
Really, really good.
Latte.
I got a juice with pineapple and guava and
It's really good.
orange. Yeah.
Nice.
Here's
I don't even know what's in it, but it's so
Salted
good.
caramel frappuccino.
Banana? That's breakfast right there.
Try it.
Sounds good.
Is it good?
5 out of 5 stars?
5 out of 5.
So good.
Yeah, it's really good. It's not too heavy like a smoothie.
Yeah.
It's more like fruity. So I got the chilaquiles, but with chicharron, with a poblano, and then there's some queso. There's some delicious chips. Let me see. Of course.
Yeah, delicious.
Yeah. And she got 3 kinds of quesadillas. Means like marlin and shrimp. I don't know what the other one is.
Wow. Can you cut it open?
Oh yeah.
Spread them.
You got huevo rancheros.
And then
Huevos rancheros.
Oh, is that tamale too?
Yeah. Oh. It's a little bit different. Break the yolk. Thank you.
get the perfect bite.
Yes.
Delicious. I got quesadilla, and then it comes with they say XL jumbo shrimp with stewed marlin. So that's a stewed marlin jumbo shrimp quesadilla, and then I got you know, scrambled eggs, and then some refried beans on the side. Dipped in a little bit of sauce. Weird. Okay. Yeah, no, it's good too. Probably.
This is the original.
Yeah, it's like,
This is the original.
I don't know how to explain it.
Okay,
Yeah, these dishes are
Okay, final verdict of all our breakfast items. What did you guys like the most? Okay, 1, 2, 3. Chilaquiles. Yeah, that's basically. I think that was the best. Mine was probably second. Or I liked mine. Mine was the marlin quesadilla. Oh shoot. It was very, felt hearty, but not too heavy, which is nice. But yeah, now we're all gonna get into the Uber and go toward the beach because it's really stuffy within the buildings and there's like no breeze, so.
just got to this hotel where they have parasailing and like a beach club. The Mexican limousine. Yeah. Where? Access.
You can zoom in, right?
Yeah, California rolls.
It looks like a California roll right here. You see? Is it not?
I was looking at the people jumping off the thing.
You tell me what it looks like. Anyway, we're gonna walk over. I thought they said they didn't have beach access here. So we wanted to go parasailing, but then they said that because the tide is so high right now, like look, oops, the tide is so high right now, it'd be dangerous for the boat to even go out there to take us parasailing. So I think we're just gonna chill and go wrap around.
So yeah,
actually,
we got our beer order. They've been pretty cool about it.
So we can't get onto the beach because the tide is too high. So we just found their cabana daybed area, and then we're just gonna chill here until it's time for our massages.
What'd you order?
I got the mangoda. I forgot.
Mangoda.
It's a non-alcoholic drink though. When it's too hot, I don't like to drink
What'd you get,
alcohol.
Sarah?
Tequila.
Tequila.
It's in my belly. And you just got water.
We gotta hydrate.
I know. Nice and relaxing.
Bestie cruise.
How's the pools?
Muy bien. Or the muy bueno.
Oh no, don't do it.
Edit me off. Go in. It's like 10 out of 10. 10 would recommend.
Warm, and then there's a
I think is their special. It's called the Chiquita Banana.
Is it good?
It's like a pina colada with bananas.
Yeah. Banana and like some coconut, I think.
Mmm.
Muy delicioso.
Not
Delicioso.
too sweet.
Refreshing.
So we found this random stall across from our cabana. It's right here. Follow us. And here's fresh oyster. Hola.
Santo Ceviche, Mazatlán, Sinaloa, México.
Hey, México. Viva México.
Yay.
Fresh.
Wow. Straight from the beach.
So this is the change. I think he gave you a little bit more too.
That's fine, babe.
All right, our first two food poisoning testers.
Stop.
Just kidding, no. It'll be fine.
Better introduction.
Wow.
We're the guinea pigs of the group.
Good.
Cheers.
Fresh?
Fresh.
Yeah, it's good.
Okay.
I think I put too much salt, but it was really good.
You're supposed to put salt on it?
Like a sprinkle. Lime, just in case.
Yarp.
And then don't do that. What not to do.
Mm.
And then that.
That's good.
And now, give me that.
Okay, now I can eat it.
First bite. Oh yeah, yes.
Oh, okay. Yeah, tastes fine.
Sweet,
Mm.
not too briny,
It's good.
Yeah, it's not chilled at all. I know what you mean now,
Yeah.
but it tastes.
but it tastes good.
Yeah, it doesn't taste bad or anything. Okay.
Better than EMC.
It's better than Water Grill.
Sure.
Not sponsored. Bestie shots.
Ah.
Cheers.
Hey.
Yes.
Wow.
Hey, nice,
Nice, huh?
breezy. Yeah, nice and breezy.
Looks like we made it, guys.
Days. Yeah.
With that big. Welcome to Mazatlán, Mexico's Pearl of the Pacific. Today we're diving into its beating heart of seafood culture, Mercado Pino Suarez. Located in Old Town right beside Mazatlan's 19th century cathedral, this bustling fish market opens at 6 a.m. when the local fishermen unload the day's catch. Pro tip, arrive between 6 a.m. and 8 a.m. for a prime catch. Bring cash and dress for comfort. This market is an adventure for your senses.
¿Cuántos es un kilo? 2.30. 2.30. ¿Más grande?
270.
2.70. 270.
Yeah, just try. Water and the ice.
There's other
it's
seafood.
gonna be cooked. I know it's gonna
There's
be
other
cooked.
seafood places too. So I want to just try this and see if they cook it up. Let's go to this place right here and get a beer. It's pretty small.
We saw like a nice place.
Well, it's fine. Can you hang this here? Oh my god. That looks like it's good. Let's try a machine. After you licked it, is it pass?
It's good to me. It passes the lick test.
Alright guys.
Maybe have alcohol knows everything.
Cheers.
Cheers.
Cheers. Napkins.
Cheers.
Cheers. Nice and refreshing. Super cold.
Con hielo y shot.
Gracias.
Gracias.
Cheers. Do it.
Arriba, abajo, pasento, parento. That was made up. It was half right. It was half right.
Half right.
Yeah, half right.
I think I got close.
See.
Don't quote me on it.
Yeah.
No, do the other one. What was it? I'm not a chick.
Oh, you peeled them too. Thank you. Gracias.
I smell the garlic. You're so pretty. Muy bonita.
Ay, gracias. Bonita
¿Cómo se llama?
Andrea.
Andrea.
Those shrimps are huge. They're pretty huge.
Yeah.
That's what she said. Not gonna complain.
Tostadas. For half a kilo, it was about $2.70 per kilo. So half of that's $130.
So,
$130?
$13.
No, 130 pesos.
$1.30.
Yeah. So that came out to be like $7. $7.
And they're good size.
Yeah.
It was wrapped in their salsa they brought over.
I have pretty small hands.
Oh yeah, okay. You gotta go. Okay, my. I already fanned you while you eat, Your Majesty. Wow. Rapido. That's the quickest I've ever seen you eat in my life.
They even peel it for you too. We all have to.
I'll wait for you there. No, I've eaten.
I don't know. It's gonna hurt my teeth maybe, but this is what you do right here.
How much do they charge to cook it?
Huh?
How much do they charge to cook it?
50 pesos.
Like $2? $2.50?
That's
Just
shit.
divide everything by half.
It would totally go back.
That was so worth it.
Yeah, it was.
So good.
That restaurant is directly across the street from all the little seafood vendors. So we just picked out half a kilo, which turned out to be $10, which is about a pound. $10 for a pound, and then you just bring it over there, and they have different ways that they'll prepare your food for you. We chose ajillo, which is garlic and butter, but you can also do it diabla or deep
They
fried.
said Mazatlán style is the breaded one.
Oh, breaded is
Yeah.
Mazatlán style, but
Breaded and deep fried.
oh, okay. Well, maybe we'll try that next time. Yeah. So now we're on the way to look for another seafood restaurant. Oh wait, 1010 would recommend I would go back. That was the final thought.
Yeah, sure.
I would totally
It was
do
so
that.
good.
Wash it down with a couple of ice cold Pacificos and you're set.
Ooh.
They're so
Upa.
fire. Oh, interesting.
Let me see again.
Yeah, YouTube.
This is the coconut shrimp.
So Michael said that this is what Mazatlán is known for.
I don't know about the coconut one, but I
You
guess
said-
it's kind of breaded.
Oh.
Breaded, but I don't know if it's the coconut.
Oh.
Pass the smell check.
I hope this is not habanero. I don't know. I'm scared. Maybe not too much at first.
How is it?
Mmm.
Tortillas?
Is it? Oh yeah. Oh, tortillas. Mmm. That's good.
There's some rice, there's potatoes, there's the mashed potatoes.
Yeah.
There's like a Mexican rice.
Nice. Good. Mmm. I could eat this.
So is this mango or is it just straight habanero?
I forgot to check. Mango habanero. Mmm.
Good.
Spicy way.
Hey, I want a photo. Oh, yeah, whip up the spoon. Thank you.
Mmm.
Good.
I like it. Mmm. Mm-hmm.
That was her favorite.
That was a lot of No, a really good amount of salt and lime. I like it. It's really good.
Just in Oh my god, really?
How did that happen?
She's a squirter. Here you go.
This is the good stuff right here.
The days? Ooh. Okay.
Look at the little tongue right here.
Okay.
Put it in your mouth. Did you guys put a lot of lime on there?
Is it fishy?
I put lime.
Briny,
Is it?
very light, nice texture. Good, very good. It's not too
Okay.
spicy.
Oh yeah? Fresh jalapenos ground up. Nice.
And I can feel it.
These are the tacos that we always missed our boat for. But we made it, that's on. And now we enjoy the tacos
Yes.
in the sunset.
Dude, look, you see the whole city. It's so cool. It's very nice.
Hand sanitizer?
So pleasant.
We were the last people to get back on this boat because we were waiting for these tacos to finish cooking. When we got to the boat, everyone was. Wait, no, I told you.
We had like tons of missed calls. Yeah, on the way back from this taco restaurant, our phones started blowing up, and it was the ship. They kept calling our phones to say that they're gonna take off without us if we don't get here in 10 minutes. And yeah, we literally almost missed the ship. People on the deck were looking at us and screaming at us because the whole boat was waiting for us. Pretty fucked up, but we made it, and the tacos were worth it. I don't know if I'd do it again.
You should
Probably
do
not.
it again.
Yeah, let's do it again. Like and subscribe if you like tacos and being late.